Okay, now that we have opened up the numbering system for comments as well in the middle school, high school, wanted to show you a couple different ways you can add comments when you're doing your marking period grades. First, open up any one of your grade books, doesn't matter which one you start with. Um, as usual, drop down your view to submit marking period grades. By default, it is going to be showing last marking period. You can drop that down to show the current marking period, and you see no information has been submitted so far. So just to get your grades in as usual, you could just click on that little blue triangle and that copies all the grades over into where you would actually submit them. Multiple ways you could add comments. If you click on the comment bank, it's basically alpha sorted. So that's what people I think don't like because it's hard to find the common ones. You see in parentheses the numbers that actually go with them. But you could just, if you wanted to, click on individual ones or multiples at a time, hit save. That would add it for that one student that I was looking at. I'm going to actually close those out to show you how to just add it as a number. So in the email, there's also a PDF that has all of the comments numbered, and it's kind of categorized by the types of comments they actually are. So let's say you wanted to put in this comment, very hardworking, for either an individual student or for the whole class. Basically, all you'd have to do is put that number down here. That number was 33. If I do this plus sign, it would add it for that individual student. If I use this one, it's going to mass entry comment for the entire class, whatever that comment number was. So if I just click on that one, just so you can see, very hardworking was put into everyone's comment. You could also add a custom comment that same way. I think a lot of people use this. The project that students are working on will continue until February, something like that. I would recommend if you're using your own custom comments to do the spell check on it. It's hard for the office or for Joan to go through and look at everyone's, but if you do have a mass comment, it does give you flexibility. So if I click on that icon, mass entry comment from free text, once again, that comment would go in for every single person. You know what I mean? So you could do it by comments just by picking them or by typing in the numbers. So you may want to keep this document open, or if there's certain ones that you're using all the time, use copy paste them into Microsoft Word so you know those numbers offhand. Notice that the controversial pleasure to have in class has been removed. So like Mike said at the faculty meeting, we'd rather not use those comments any longer on report cards. Use this if it helps. Let us know if you have any questions. Hopefully this will make it a little bit quicker when you're navigating. Remember, after you've typed in these, saving would actually submit them to the report card. Thanks.